Hi everyone, today in front of me is fake Samsung and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, and now let's tap on General Management. As you can see, actually at the bottom of this list we've got date and time, so simply tap on it, and here we can decide if we want to use automatic date and time, which are network provided, and the same situation with the time zone. So in order to change the date, time and time zone manually, you have to tap on this switcher here to activate the time zone option, and tap on this automatic date and time option, and here just tap on off. As you can see, you can also use GPS provided time, but let me turn it off, and those options right now are active. So let's tap on set date. Here we've got the calendar, how we can change it. As you can see, by swiping we can change the calendar, so just find the date you would like to set, tap on it and confirm it with OK. The same situation with the time, just tap on it, and from this clock choose the time you would like to use. Let me pick 7 o'clock, maybe something like this. Let's tap on OK, and as you can see, it immediately changes also on the space bar, on the status bar, sorry. Now let's tap on the time zone, and as you can see, we've been transferred to the full list of all available time zones from which we can choose. So all you have to do is to simply find the time zone we'd like to set and tap on it, and as you can see, it immediately changes, but be aware that after changing the time zone, the time will also change according to it. So under it you've got also the option which will allow you to choose the clock format. Right now we are using 24-hour format, but if you would like to use 12-hour format, just tap on the switcher here and it will be immediately activated and applied also. So actually this is it. This is how to customize the date and time manually. Obviously you can get back to all previous settings. Just tap on the switcher here to use 24-hour format, here to use automatic time zone, and here to use network provided time. So actually this is it. This is how to customize date and time in this fake Samsung. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.